morning, ate.
Nakabaik na siya, madam. 36.1. Ma'am, health certification natin.
So, nanghihingi si ate ng health cert, guys. So, every time you go to Honda, they will ask you for medical certificate.
Yes.
Valid for, ano ate? Valid
15
for
days.
15 days.
Okay.
So, kaya prepare ko na siya ahead of time. So, check lang ni ate just to make sure that we are all safe.
First day ni ma'am.
First day pa.
First day, 20 hours.
Today, tsaka tomorrow.
10 hours.
10 hours.
Ma'am, pakiscan ma'am.
And then meron din silang health declaration. So, they have a specific parking for motorcycles and of course for cars. Which is good kasi it's very safe. You don't have to worry about your motorcycles. Since medyo malayo ito sa aking house, I had to take my Vespa. Enjoy! See you sa lunch.
This way po. May mga person teachers naman sa bawat table, doon na lang po kayo.
Okay, thank you. So they have a classroom. Okay guys, so we're already done with our lecture. But unfortunately, hindi ko masya-share yung experience ko inside the room. So, here we are after the lecture. We are doing the manual experience. This is the actual experience. So, I'm using a CB150. So, we're practicing pushing. Sabi ni coach, kulang pa ang ikot ko guys. So push pa more. Pag push pa lang pagod na ako. Well, factor kasi dahil mainit. And at the same time, medyo mabigat yung bike.
Bago umandar, kailangan mag-check ka muna kung may tao sa likod. Ito siya ha? Ano ba? Lahat? Siya ha? Ito ha, mag-move na ako. Ito yung safety check. Tingin sa kanan. Tingin sa kaliwa. Okay?
Dapat your right and your left.
Ang galing yung aksidente sa likod. Umandar, napipero pa lang parating. Okay? Kung papansin niyo kanina, umandar ako. Nasaan yung kanan pa ako sa mga manual?
Nasa brake.
Brake. Ito yung nasa baba. Ito yung huling aakyat.
Foot brake.
Ito lang din yung huling bababa. Parang ito oh. Pansin nyo? Tsaka pag humihinto, siguraduhin yung maganda yung hinto. Kasi nakaka-stress sa rider kapag humihinto.
Yeah. Most
Okay,
common
hindi siya
mistake.
smooth, no? Parang nakaka-stress lalo sa isang rider nyo. Okay lang, pag humihinto maayos at umaandar ng ano. Tayo, sa likod ka na. Tapos, sa likod ka na.
Yes, coach. So guys, practice muna kami ng stop and go. Check right, check left, check.
Okay? Ano mo yung pulse nyo? Relax yung katawan. Hawak. Kahit ano kayo lahat. Alay lang kayo sa shield. Alay lang kayo sa shield. Sabay na kami tangke. Grip na ka. Grip tangke. Grip.
Legs intact.
Grip mo. Grip. Okay?
Hey guys, so after mag-practice ng stop and go, we're now going on straight line. Kanina kasi by twos kami. Now naman, it's by strictly no overtaking and always maintain your discipline. So I've learned a lot today, guys, but I hope I'll be sharing with you. So itong batch namin, we are how many? 5 of us. So it's now 11:34 in the morning on a sunny Saturday morning.